We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing words and vocabulary many mispronounced in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Let's break down how to pronounce this word. Vegetable. Both British and American English are similar here. Veg-ta-ble, with a stress on the first syllable. Vegetable. An example of sentence, so you hear it in the context of conversation. Last night I cooked some vegetables, that's the plural, for dinner. Last night I cooked some vegetables for dinner. Vegetable. Again, vegetable. Did you get this? Do you have it? Now I'm sure you do. More videos for you here to learn more. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and thanks for watching.